So in today's video, well, first I want to say thank you for tuning in and watching this unboxing video of a new item I just purchased. I'm really excited because this item, I have it in the small size, but not this big. So I decided to go ahead and make a purchase. I've been watching it for about a year or so, and I was like, yeah, I don't really need a big bag. And then I decided, you know what, go for it. You only live once, so make it happen. So in this video, we're gonna unbox it. I actually did not open it. I wanted to wait until I could record the video because I'm so excited to share it with you. All right, so let's get to opening. Box open. All right, so this item, I actually purchased it from Slate Avenue. You can get it from directly from the actual vendor or who the bag is by. I don't want to say yet till I show it, but you can actually get it from them. But they were sold out of it on their website, so I've been kind of waiting for it to come back in stock so that I could purchase it. That's kind of what took me a minute because I was like, oh wait, and then when it came back in stock, I was like, I don't really need it, and then back and forth. So I was finally at my moment of yes, go ahead, treat yourself, Erica, and got the bag. So I kind of said the bag, but went ahead and made the purchase. So in the box is my receipt. I want to show you my information, but there's my receipt in the box, and it's a really big box. Let me see if I can turn it. So here it is in the box, and it's an actual handbag. So I'm really excited. I'll put that over on the floor. Came wrapped like this. So this item is I think you may be able to see through, but it's the Marc tote bag. Let me pull back a little bit. And this is the large size. And this is the slate green color. Okay. So let's put the paper down. I'm really excited because like I said, I've been watching this bag and waiting. And I was like, I don't need a large bag. Then I was like, yeah, I do. Erica, it's only $200. You've spent more on a purse than that. So go for it. Here it is. This is how it came. Took the little paper that was on the handle off. All right. Let's open it. Inside the bag. You see inside. All right, and then there's the tag that's still on it. You have on the inside, you have this pocket here where you can put things there. Silicone in there. We can put that in the trash, and then I'm trying to put it across so I can show you. You have your zip. All right, so I wanted to first, before I show you the items and things that I bought to stuff the bag and put all my things in to organize it, I wanted to give you a little bit of the dimensions of the bag. It says the bag is 17 inches long, 6 inches in depth, and 13 inches in height. Okay, so I decided to go with this one because I feel like I can put my laptop, my work laptop in here. I can put my iPad in here, plus all my little knickknacks and things that I need to carry, or that I think I need to carry in my purse. So I'm going to show you the tote first, and I'm going to put it all in this video, and then I'll come back and do another video and show you the items and how I organize everything to go in the tote as well. All right, so that's the dimensions of the bag. It comes, again, this color is the slate green color. It comes in a few colors. Let me look and I can tell you. I'm on the website. Comes in black, beige, blue shadow, harbor blue, and daybreak. I like daybreak, so I'm thinking about getting it in that color, but maybe in the medium, because then I'll have a small. My small is the mesh lime green color one, and then I have now this one in the slate green. So I'm thinking about getting that daybreak, which is like a lilac lavender, pretty lavender color, and getting that maybe in the medium. So then I'll have a small, medium, and then the large. Again, my large is going to be for every day. So I decided not to go, just from doing research, I decided not to go with the black because I was seeing a lot of comments and just comments on the internet, comments on other YouTubers and things of that nature that said that the black attracts lint if you're going to carry it all the time, which isn't a big problem because, I mean, you could carry your lint brush, but who has time for all that when you work a 9-to-5 job? Not me. So I decided to go with this. So we'll see how it holds up and how it keeps up. So I'll do like a review in a couple of weeks just to give me time with the bag and see how I like it. So I'll come back and give a review on the bag itself. But now I keep talking, I know. Let me show you my organizer, and I'll also put a link in the video if you decide you want to try the organizer. I'll put a link to my Amazon storefront, and not storefront, but to my Amazon likes and things that I've purchased that go in the bag will be there. All right, so I bought this cute tote. I was kind of nervous because it's an extra large tote. Now, when I got the tote before I got my bag, and I was like, is that gonna be too big to go in there? So let's see how it fits in there. This is the extra large tote. Again, I'll put a link in the description bar below that'll take you to where you can purchase it directly from Amazon. I'm gonna push the bag out. I'm gonna take my tote, and I've already started stuffing the tote. Not stuffing, but putting things in my tote. So let's put it in here. I had to open it a little all the way. Oh, it fits nicely in there. Oh yeah, that's good. I was nervous there for a second because I was struggling, but there you can see it on the inside. It fits really nice down on the inside. You see it has all these little pockets and organization compartments in here, so that way things aren't just kind of floating down in the bottom of the bag. I'm trying to show you. There you go. All right, so I like it. Let's put it on the shoulder. Not too heavy yet, but I don't have my iPad in here or my laptop in here. So I like it. I think it'll be great because when I put my laptop is, I think it's 13 inches for work. And then I have a 12.9 or 12.5 iPad, which is a large iPad Pro. So either or, maybe both. I'll see how it goes again. And I'll let you all know. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this is the unboxing of my Marc Jacobs tote bag in the large size. So there you go. And that's how it looks with my organizational tote in the bag. So it fits really good. And I'll come back and do a part 2 video of what all is in my tote and also how I have everything organized. Again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for bearing with me as I ramble. I'll do more of these kind of videos of things I buy because I'm always on Amazon buying things, and I'm also always on just buying kind of things. And I think I'll do like day-to-day videos, or maybe not day-to-day, but videos showing things that I've purchased and giving reviews on them. Maybe to help some of you who are looking at something, not quite sure, just to kind of give you another idea or view on things. All right. So thanks for tuning in again. Have a great day. Be great. Be awesome. Be you.